Hi everyone, my name is Ruth and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always watching and supporting my channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to fix an inner pocket to your dress. If you haven't subscribed yet, please like this video and subscribe for more detailed sewing tutorials. Let's begin. So the first thing we'll be doing is to cut out our pocket. And to cut the pocket is very easy. So when cutting out the pocket, remember we are fixing on both sides of the dress. So I'll go ahead and fold my fabric and cut out the wideness. I'll be using 8.5 and the length of the pocket will be 9 inches or 10 inches. Make sure that your pocket is not too deep, you understand, so that it will not be looking funny. So after that, I just went ahead to weave the pocket round. So I cut 4 pieces of the Ankara fabric. Can use any fabric of your choice. Then after that, you go ahead and mark out the waistline of your dress. So I'll use my waistline. The waistline of this my client is 18 inches. So I'll go ahead and mark my waistline like this. Are you seeing? Then from that waistline, you come down by 7 inches. So that will be the opening for the pocket. So that 7 inches is enough. At least your hand will be able to pass through. So make sure that your pocket is not too wide. If it's too wide, it will be looking funny. So 7 inches is okay. I hope you understand. You come down from your shoulder, measure from your shoulder, measure your half length. And from that point, you come down by 7 inches. Hope that is clear. Then after that, we'll now go ahead and stitch. Are you seeing? You stitch this point so that the pockets will not lose. I also stitch the other side of my fabric. Are you seeing? So after that, I'll make sure I'll do it on both sides. I hope you understand. So just still watch in case you don't understand the first one. So I said from your shoulder you mark your half length. So everybody half length is not the same. So my client's own, I'm going to mark it, that's 18 inches. Some person's half length is 16, 17, so you cannot use the same half length for everybody. So the half length I'm using here is 18 inches. Are you saying from that point you come down by 7 inches? Hope that is clear. Now I'll go ahead and stitch this part. So I stitched this part while I was making this dress. So I'll just go ahead and lose it out. Are you seeing? I just go ahead and lose it. So because I already stitched the other part, I'll not lose. I'll just lose and stop this point here. Like this. Are you seeing? Then after that, from that place that you mark the opening of your pocket, just go ahead and use your chalk to trace it out on the other side. Just the way I'm doing it. I see. It will not make fitting the pocket very easy for you. So just go ahead and trace the pocket this way. I see. Then I'll pick 2 pieces of the pocket that I've cut out. I see. So the wideness of the opening, we use 7 inches. And remember, while cutting the main pocket, I use 8.5 inches. You can use 8 inches if you want, but that's what I usually use. I see. I'll go ahead and place it this way. So as you're placing it, make sure you have some allowance on both sides, just like you see me. Don't place it like this. Make sure you place it this way. So after that, you can use your pin and secure it. Then you go ahead and stitch like this. I see. So it's very easy. Just go ahead and stitch. So after that, the next thing you're going to do is to top stitch on the pocket. The reason is because so that your pockets will not be coming out. You see some persons after fixing their pocket, the pocket will be coming out. You'll be seeing what they use for the inner pocket. So to avoid that, after sewing, just go ahead and top stitch your pocket. That way your pocket cannot come out. I hope you understand. So after that, I'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So I'll pick the other pieces. Are you seeing? Now face the, are you seeing here? The way I'm doing it now. So that's how I'm going to do it. You turn it over. So that chalk will be a guide for you. Are you seeing? So I just went ahead to remark my own so that you see it clearly. So that chalk will serve as a guide for you. Make sure that your pocket is coming out. I don't know how. Just make sure that your pocket is not on that chalk line. Just make sure you have something remaining on both sides. Yeah. Go ahead and sew. Listen, always stitch before you continue. Then you go ahead and top stitch. Always top stitch your pocket. It's very, very beautiful because you see that after sewing you have a very neat pocket there. So I'll go ahead and top stitch. So after that, the next thing I'll be doing is to close this my pocket. If you are seeing what I'm doing, I'll go ahead and close the pocket down. Now from that point where I marked the opening of my pocket, so that's where I'll be sewing. Just watch. Are you seeing? That's how I'll be sewing. I'll just follow the shape of this pocket. Remember the down part, you can also make it, if you don't want it that square, you can also make a curve on the down part if you want. It's optional. So just go ahead and stitch and sew like this. Just follow this method. You see that your pocket will be so fine after sewing. Just stitch and stop at that point there. So I also do the same thing on the other side. I see. So I'll just open it up like this and trace out the opening of my pocket. I'll use chalk. I always use chalk to mark it out so that it will be very easy for me to fix my pocket. So I'll repeat the same thing I did on the other side. Pick one piece of the fabric, place it on my dress this way. Are you seeing? Make sure you're placing the right side, facing the right side of the pocket, of the dress, sorry. Make sure your pocket is coming out. So that is why when we use 7 inches for the opening, the pocket, we cut it more than 7 inches. So I use 8.5. Don't forget. So you can also use 8 if you want, but 8.5 so that it will not disturb you. So just go ahead and stitch like this. Then after stitching, I'll top stitch. Just watch. So always make sure that your pocket is aligning. Make sure that one is not bigger than the other one. Your pocket will be looking very funny. Make sure as you're seeing your pocket is well arranged. And since after that, I'll top stitch. Always top stitch your pocket. You will see that once you top stitch, sometimes there are times whereby the pocket that we are going to, the pieces we are going to use for our pocket is different from our main fabric. So imagine when you do not top stitch and the pieces is coming out. So that's why it's important for you to top stitch, whether you're using the main fabric or not. Please always top stitch your pocket. especially when you're making an inner pocket. I see. Just go ahead and sew like this. So after sewing, I'll go and iron it and show you what it looks like. So these are pockets after we are done ironing. Are you seeing how beautiful it is? Are you seeing it did not change the shape of the dress. So this is how to neatly fix your inner pocket. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.